Due diligence or the inspection period. We have 10 days from offer acceptance to perform any inspections we deem necessary. In every situation, I recommend a general inspection. Cost ranges from $400 to $700 depending on the company, need for termite inspection, or if there's a pool or spa. From this report, we can assess if any further evaluation is necessary, like roof repair quote, AC inspection, electrician, plumber, or others. You will also receive the seller property disclosure statement, nicknamed the SPUDS, within the first 3 days. I've linked a video below that goes into more detail about this document. This is also your opportunity to research schools, parks, crime statistics, airport noise, and any other subject that may be of material value to you. I have a link in the description below to a video all about the potential items you may want to look into. If you find any material reason you would not want to buy this home, you can cancel within the first 10 days and receive your earnest money back.